Hi, this is Lee from the Robbie team. If you saw our previous video, you already know I'm building a robot named Antwerp, and that I've built a software framework we're calling the Robbie framework, which I plan to use to control it. In that video, I said we'd be following up with a series of short videos showing how I gradually marry the framework to Antwerp. This is the first of those videos. For this first video, I thought we'd start with our nickel tour of Antwerp. This will give you an idea of the scope of what we hope to build in the upcoming videos. We'll start from the bottom and work our way up. The base of the robot is a kit I bought on the web from a site named Servo City. They call the kit the Agent 390. It includes the base platform with the treads and the motors to power them. Most of the rest of the main structure is built with materials I also got from Servo City. They've developed a standard for the hole patterns on the fasteners and structural pieces, which has worked out well for me. I don't know how many will even remember what an erector set was, but that's what the Servo City stuff reminds me of. Now we've moved around to the back, which is the best angle to see the Arduino card that controls the motors for the treads. It has an Ethernet shield and a motor shield, and it's also connected to 6 ultrasonic range sensors, which handle basic collision avoidance and alerting. These 2 white boxes mounted to the front of the robot are 2 of the range sensors we're talking about here. Moving down from the range sensor, first we can see this powered USB hub. And looking up above that, we can just see up there the Ethernet router that also acts as a wireless hotspot. And below that, we have the biggest, baddest LiPo battery I could find on the web. It's 38,000 milliamp hours that powers the whole mess. Moving up to the next level, we come to the robot's arm. This arm is built from a kit I got from Robotics in Illinois. It's operated by 6 servos controlled by its own robotics controller card. Next, moving upwards, we've got another Arduino Mega, which handles command and control for the main sensors at the top of the bot. There's 2 sensors at the top. The first is a 360-degree 2D LiDAR sensor for detailed distance ranging. And the other is a Microsoft Kinect depth camera that can handle a huge range of stuff, from plain video to detailed distance imaging, directional sound analysis, image analysis, point clouds, etc. It sits on a pan and tilt mount above the rest of the body. The Arduino controls the pan and tilt servos and will also send command signals to the LiDAR sensor. It also controls the digital compass sensor you can see in the black box up and to the left. For control, the robot's going to use what's come to be known as the master-slave pattern. This means there's a central master computer that simultaneously monitors and controls all the slave devices on the robot. For Antwerp, the master computer will be this Microsoft Surface tablet. It will eventually mount on the base platform at the front of the bot, acting sort of as the face for it. The program running on the tablet that will do all the orchestration for Antwerp will be built on top of the Robbie framework. The tablet will be able to communicate with both internal and external devices and services, either through the onboard Ethernet network, wirelessly, or by serial connector through the USB hub. So that's the tour of the hardware that makes up Antwerp. In our next video, we'll show the Robbie framework actually interact with the robot for the first time. So thanks for watching, and we hope you're all safe and healthy in these very weird times.